Tell me if it was on your road, ye roaring northern winds, as ye come blowing through the land that's never frae my mind. My feet they travel England, but I'm deeing for the north. My man, I saw the siller tides run up the Firth o' Forth. I win the Kenham Wheelenuch and find the fawn rise, and fain I'd feel the creeping mist on yonder shore that lies. But tell me as ye passed them by, if it saw ye on the way, my man I rocked the roving gulls that sail abin the Tay. But saw ye naething lean wind afore ye come to Fife? For there's muckle lying yont to Tay that's mair to me nor life. My man I swept the Angus braes that ye havena trod for years. Oh, wind forgie a hameless loon that canna see for tears. And far abin the Angus straths I saw the wild geese flee, a long, long skein o' beaten wings with their heats toward the sea. And aye their crying voices trailed a anthem on the air. Oh, wind, hae mercy, had ye wished for a darna listen mair.